Hi, my name is Christina Rodriguez.
My name is Jacqueline Penrod.
My name is Teddy Yudain. I am a professional puppeteer from New York City, and this is Barnaby the Elf.
So this is what I created. It's a Shakespeare-themed puppet show that I travel around and perform.
I sent my design for this character, who is Mrs. Trollope.
This is my first wooden carved puppet at all of any kind, and this is what I came out with. I'm so happy.
I was a little nervous that I wouldn't be able to keep up in my own home, but I can assure you, Leah and Mirik are the real deal. Their workshops, both in person and online, are so detailed, so informative, and so personalized to what you and your puppet need.
I went from no wood carving experience whatsoever to coming out with a fully functional performance-ready marionette.
So I sent my design to Mirik. He drafted it, then he cut all of the pieces, created all of the joints, and sent the pieces to me. So it's like Christmas Day, you get this amazing box that has all of those pre-cut pieces and shows you how they will eventually go together.
They covered what kind of wood is best for carving, how wood works. They gave us great suggestions on basic tools that you would need to carry out the job.
The information is detailed, it's specific. There are amazing drawings, live demonstrations, live carving examples that Mirik does right along with you that make the information so easy to digest and so accessible.
One thing that made the class super easy as a complete novice to wood carving was Mirik's very clear and beautifully drawn out diagrams and illustrations of the carving process, as well as the live demonstrations that we did on Zoom.
And then shows you exactly how those are all carved on his workbench, so you get to actually watch him do it. We also had a day of painting, which was very useful.
It was also amazing to learn from a master painter on how to finish the project, as well as considering things like costumes. I learned about traditional Czech marionette history, which was really great. The amazing thing about the puppetry community is all of the different traditions all over the world and the way it can connect us through the one art form.
I can't recommend it highly enough.
I cannot recommend the Puppets in Prague workshops enough.
I would highly recommend this class to anybody who is interested in wood carving in any way, but especially if you want to learn more about the wonderful history of Czech marionettes.